Hello student, good morning and welcome you again to the virtual classes by Jet Kids. You are learning in class 1 and our subject is computer and topic for today's video is revision exercise of lesson number 4 using the keyboard.
So, before starting our exercise, we are going to see the practical how to use keyboard. Now student, see this is the keyboard. Yes, and now this one is called a cursor. This blinking line on the monitor is called a cursor. Yes, when we will type, the cursor will move forward. See here, you can see cursor is moving forward. Yes. Now we are going to see the different keys on the keyboard. So student, see, these are the alphabet keys. Q, W, E, R, T, S, S, D. These are called alphabet keys. Alphabets are printed on this. So when you will press the alphabet keys, that alphabet you can see on the screen. Yes? Like suppose I want to type the computer. So I have to press the key C O M P U T T E R. The spelling of computer you can type on the screen using these alphabet keys. Now we will see the number keys. See, these are number keys. Numbers are printed on the and number keys are given at two places on the keyboard. One here and one here. These are the number keys. When you want to type the numbers, you have to press these keys. Suppose I want to type the number 20. So I have to press the keys 2, see these 2 and 0. Then the number 20 will be appear on the screen. Now we are going to see the next key, that is spacebar key. See, this is the longest key on the keyboard. When you want to give the blank space between two words, numbers, letters, that time you have to press this key. Now see here, I want to write V. Now give the space. Here when I press the space bar key, a blank place is given. Yes. V R. Yes. So use of space bar key is to give the blank place between two words, numbers or letters. Now backspace key. See, this one is the backspace key. Backspace is written on this. Suppose by mistake you type something wrong. Yes. Suppose I want to type the spelling of computer, C-O-M-P. Now I forget the spelling and type something wrong. That time I have to use the backspace key. Now the number, it will erase the, your mistake. Now you can complete the spelling, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Understand? Now we will move to our next key, that is enter key. See, this one is the enter key. When you want to start a new line, when you want to start writing from new line, you have to press this key. Now suppose I write my name here, Shilpa. Now S-H-I-L-P-A. Now I want to start writing something from next line. That time I have to press the enter key. Now you can see the cursor moves down. Now you can write anything here, whatever you want from the next line. Now see the next key, that are symbol keys. Yes. See, these are the symbol keys. Some symbols are given on it. So whenever you want to type that symbol, you have to press these keys. Equal to, plus, like this. So student, this is the practical how to use the keyboard. Yes, these are alphabet keys, number keys, backspace key, enter key and spacebar key. We learn about the uses of this key. Now we will see the exercise regarding this lesson.
So student, now let us move to the exercise. For that you have to open your textbook page number 31 and 32. On page number 31 exercise is given scratch your brain. So see the first question. A. Tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Here you have to tick the correct option and then write the correct answer in the blank place. So read the first one. The buttons on the keyboard are called. Two options are there, keys and tools. So what is the correct option? Yes, keys. Yes. So write correct answer keys, tick there and write the correct answer on the blank place also. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Yes. Now see the second one. The longest key on the keyboard is the dash key. So this fill in the blanks is on page number 31. So what is the longest key on the keyboard is called? Enter key or spacebar key? Yes, spacebar key. It is the right answer. So tick the answer spacebar key and also write it on the blank place. It is used to give space between words, letters, numbers and symbols. Now question fill in the blanks 3. There are dash number keys on the keyboard. So there are how many number keys on the keyboard? Very good. Answer is 10. 1 to 9 and 0. So tick the answer 10 and also write the answer in a blank place. There are 10 number keys on the keyboard. So student, you have to copy down these all answers in your textbook. Now let us move to the next question on page number 31. Exercise B. Draw any two symbol keys as you see them on your keyboard. Yes. Now you have to draw two symbol keys, yes, as you can see on your keyboard. So you can draw any two symbol keys. I am just giving you two options. Yes, addition symbol and equal to and minus symbol. You can draw any two symbol keys you can see on the keyboard. Now see the next question. C. Fill in the blanks using the given words. Now here you can see some words in a bracket that you have to use, yes, and write them on a correct place. So find out the correct option and write them. Read the first one, fill in the blanks. We should press the keys. How? Yes, we should press the keys very softly. So the answer is softly. Write down the answer there. Very good. Now see the second one. Dash keys have symbols printed on them. So which keys have symbols printed on them? Yes, symbol keys have symbols printed on them. That's why the keys are called as a symbol keys. Now see the third one. A keyboard is used to type letters dash and dash. So the keyboard is typed to letters and what? Yes, numbers and words. So using a keyboard you can type letters, numbers and words on a computer. Now let us move to the fourth fill in the blanks. There are 26 on the keyboard. So there are what 26 on the keyboard? Yes, alphabet. There are 26 alphabet on the keyboard and we said them as a alphabet keys. Yes, because alphabets are printed on them, so we called it as a alphabet keys. Now student, we will see the next question. D. Answer the following. Answer the following question. The first question is given on page number 31 itself. which key is used to erase words? So if you type something wrong by mistake on a computer, which key will you use to erase that? Yes, very good. Backspace key is used to erase letters and words we type by mistake. Yes, it happens sometime that we can type something wrong by mistake. That time we have to use the backspace key to erase that letter, word, whatever number, symbol, etc. Now student, you have to turn the textbook page number. Yes, turn the textbook page number 32. Second question is given there. What is the use of spacebar key? So can you tell me what is the use of spacebar key? Yes, I just told you. Yeah, very good. Spacebar key is used to give a blank space between words, letters, numbers and symbols. So the spacebar key is used to give the blank place between two numbers, words, letters and symbols. So student, here we have completed our exercise of lesson number 4 and also see the practical. Yes, you have to copy down all these answers in your textbook itself. Now here one fun activity is also given. Yes, puzzle also given. The both are your PH. So what is the fun activity? Color the number keys green, that tells your age. Now here picture of number keys is given in your textbook. You have to see in textbook and color the number keys, that tells your age, and color the number alphabet keys red, that spells your name. So this is your PH. And also puzzle, you have to circle the letters that, yes, you have to circle the letters that, yes, tell the name of keyboard or spelling of keyboard. So student, in next video we will see the worksheet on page number 34. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.